Satyavati and Shantanu. Shantanu, okay. Now, Shantana Maharaju comes to know that his son has given up on his right to the throne, and he given up on his marriage as well. He is super impressed with his son's behavior, with his son's sacrifice. So he gives him a boon. You know what the boon is? Yeah. Yes. Death will approach you, death will come to you only when you wish for it. If he's fallen, if he has reached a stage where he cannot sustain his life, even in that kind of a situation, if he wants to hang on to his life, he can hang on to his life. Don't you think it is a very dangerous boon to be given to anybody? They could turn into demons, right? Because all the demons, their wish is to live forever like gods, right? Somebody is getting this as a boon. Yeah. Yeah. There also Hiranyakashipa asks for the similar kind of boon, right? Hiranyakashipa asks for similar boon. Ravanasura also asks for a similar boon. All the demons ask for a life, like they don't want to die. They never want to die. So it means that anybody with such a long life will become greedy towards everything. We know that we are going to die. Like, what is the average lifespan? 70 years or something? 70, no, 80. Healthy life, 80. Beyond that, we know that we are all going to die. But how much wealth do we accumulate? We are so greedy in nature, right? We keep accumulating. We know that one day we are going to leave. But still we accumulate, we collect, we do so much. So, keeping that in mind, think about this man who can live until there is no end to it. He will die only when he wants to. But why did Shantana Maharaju give this kind of a boon? Because he has, yes.
He knows that he'll use it wisely.
Yes.
He will never become greedy.
Correct. He has already proven his character, right? He has already proven it to him. For a 19-year-old to say that I am going to leave everything, I don't need a wife, I don't need family of my own, I don't need this kingdom, nothing. My father's happiness is of my ultimate. That is what gives me immense satisfaction, not these any kind of material things. So if somebody can give that kind of a promise, that kind of renunciation, giving this kind of a boon is not wrong. He can be given this kind of a boon. He will never misuse it. That's the guarantee that this guy had, this Shantanu had. You had a question?